In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down to access passwords and security. Now tap on screen lock and select the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, tap on Got it in this pop-up after 5 seconds and create your login method. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And last but not least, choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. In order to add your fingerprint right away, choose Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions. If you don't want to do that, just click on Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!